Hi you guys, I hope you're having a great summer. I wanted to hop on here and share with you one of my very favorite summer drinks. It's really easy to make and very delicious. This is for a caramel frappe, and what I did was I hopped on the canvas and I made this cute little printout, and I will put this image in the comments so that you will have it as well. And actually this past Christmas, one of the gift ideas that I did was put this recipe inside a basket with the non-perishable ingredients so that my friends could make them at home themselves. So I'm going to grab my apron and pull my hair up, and I'll be back to show you how easy this delicious drink is to make. Okay, so there's two ingredients that I want to mention that you have to use the name brand ingredient. No substitutions are going to give you the flavor that this would. So this is the Taster's Choice instant coffee. And then this is the Torani pure caramel sauce. So these are the two ingredients that are important that you use these two brands. So the first thing we're going to do is put in 1 cup of ice. And these measurements don't have to be exact. You can adjust as you go. And then we're going to do a half a cup of half and half. If you want to cut down on the calories and fat, you can use milk. It will still taste very delicious. You just won't have, it won't be quite as rich, but I mean, it's still amazing. So then we're going to do 1 tablespoon of the Taster's Choice instant coffee. And I do kind of heaping on that. If I want it stronger, sometimes I'll use 2. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of this caramel sauce. And I really don't measure it. I've made this so many times that I just kind of do a couple of long squeezes. And then there's another ingredient here, which is Xanthum Gum. And this can be found in the Walmart baking section. You don't have to use this. This is a thickening agent, and it's just going to make it thick. But it does not affect the taste at all. If you don't have it or you don't want to use it, you can leave it out. But we're going to use it only 1/4 teaspoon. And it really does thicken it up, kind of like a thick ice cream. And then we're going to do a couple tablespoons of sugar, and you can adjust that to your liking as well. And I really kind of just do a couple of heaping tablespoons. Now I'm almost out of sugar. And then we're going to blend this up, and I will be right back so you don't have to hear this loud sound. Okay, so I've got the ingredients nice and blended, and it's smooth and thick, as you can see here. And then what I like to do is take a glass and take my caramel syrup and just go around. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm just drizzling it along the top. And then it will go down on its own. And then I like to, let me see if I can move the camera. And we'll put our, now this recipe that I typed up is for 1 serving. So it's going to make 1 glass, 1 tall glass. So if you want to make more, then you will just increase the amount of the ingredients that you use. And then I like to use spray whipped cream. You don't have to, but if you have some on hand, it just makes it look even prettier. And I love whipped cream. And then for a final touch, I do 1 last drizzle of this caramel sauce. And there you have it. A delicious caramel frappe. Super easy and super delicious.